today we are going to make a helical gear in CREO Parametric. So creating a new part design, choosing a part solid. Okay, then going for shapes, blend command, sections, choosing this plane for sketching, align, draw a circle of 100 mm, make center lines 1, 2, right. Now make a line here, it should be 15, right. Then drawing an arc, R should be 65. Okay, something's going wrong there. Selecting 3-point arc tangent, right, like this. And now selecting this, choose mirror command, this plane, here we go, choose a 65 and choose dimension. Between these 2 points there's some distance, should be 40. Okay, so now make a center lines, this should be 60 degree, and this again it should be 60 degree. Fine. Now selecting this 3, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and now selecting mirror command. So first of all, it's very important to get this step. So select only those line which I'm selecting now. So 1, again go for mirror command, this 2, again mirror command, this 3, again mirror command, this 4, and finally this will 1, 5, which we all got the hair, right. Now erasing the unwanted parts, this, right. If you see, it's a closed section now, right. So first of all, saving it to for further use, save a copy. I'm saving on the desktop, naming it 12. Okay, pressing it here. Okay, now sections, here is already 2, section 2 is selected now, and it should be 45 from the first sketch. Now open one file, 12, click it here, bring down to center point, and here it should be 0.75, and angle should be 30 degree, and it should be 0.75, right. So here you can see we got this thing here. Let's get okay. Now okay, furthermore we are selecting, going for another one section, and it should be 95 from the first, right, sketch, open file, that one again, bring in the center point, define it 0.5, this is should be 60, and it should be 0.5, right. Here you can see this. Okay, so here it is gears, helical gear, right. Sexy na? Yeah. Now selecting this plane and going for sketch, first of all, choose a one plane that can be easier to sketch. Choose this plane, sketch. Yeah, now it's look good. Choosing a reference line, this one, close. Choosing a line, making a further body here. Selecting an arc. Okay, is there something wrong there? Yeah, now it's good. I'm just taking random values, okay? So you can take whatever you think. Hey, let's take, it should be 5, it should be 8, and it should be 50, and further 5, 12. Okay, and it should be 50. Distance should be 15. Again 8. Okay, the most important thing is draw one center line here to activate that command of revolve. Okay, otherwise it won't activate. Okay, here you can see the remaining body. Now going for extrude command to make a gear on the surface. Okay, now aligning it, choosing reference, so this outermost circle, which one it is, not that one. Okay, this and this one. Okay, so this is we are going to need this one. Now closing it, choosing line command like this. Now it should be 12, and from distance from this to this should be 12. Yeah, it's already 12, we know that thing. That should be 5, and this should be 5. Okay, now selecting arc of center and ends, so it is the center, ends is this. Okay, let's see, extrude command here, giving dimensions of 50 mm. Okay, going for pattern command. Okay, choosing an axis, it should be this, and item should be 15 divided with the equally 360-degree angle. Going for OK. You can see the gears on that shaft.